Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. This will be a quick review, and this is about this shampoo from Dr. Miracle Feel It formula. So it's sulfate and paraben free, and cleanse and conditions. Actually, this one is a conditioner and like shampoo and a conditioner in the same time. It's a conditioning shampoo. It really feels like you're using shampoo and conditioner in the same time. I tried a couple of times without using any conditioner after my shampooing, and actually my hair feels so healthy and so good. I am in love with this product. It's really good. It's with olive and jojoba oil for strong, shiny, and healthy hair. This one made for the relaxed hair. The hair as you can see, it's for relaxed, braided, natural weaved hair. So actually, it's for all kind of hairs. I love using sulfate-free shampoos, especially I always use a keratin treatment over my hair, and using a sulfate shampoo really feels like it breaks down the keratin treatment on my hair like more quicker than using a sulfate-free. And of course, sulfate-free shampoo more healthier and more like gentler on your hair. So I decided to go for sulfate free from a while, and I am in love with them. The bad thing about this one, it's kind of like a small bottle, but it's so expensive comparing to the amount that you have, because I use it twice to clean my hair really nicely. So the first time I use it to clean all the buildup, the oils, the hair product that I have on my hair, and the second time to add more clean and make it more cleaner and beautiful. On the second time, begin to lather more than the first time. This one doesn't lather that much, of course, because it's sulfate free. More of the shampoo, the sulfate free shampoo, doesn't lather as much as the sulfate the shampoo that contains sulfate in it. Of course, because the sulfate is the main thing, like doing the lather and just doing all these things. But this one is way gentler on my hair. I really love it. I love how my hair feels after using this one. So I really recommend that, especially if you're looking for something and if you have a kind of a large budget. Here it's in Egypt, it's kind of expensive. I guess it's like outside Egypt will be more cheaper, but this is what I have, and it's almost empty actually. I'm gonna try it again, but I wanted to try a different brands. So yeah, I really recommend it. I really love it so much. One of my favorite shampoos or hair products that I really love. So this is for this quick review. I really hope you like it. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.